kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will draw a cute honey bee with the help of this marker. Okay, now let's start our drawing. First of all, we will draw eyes of honey bee. Honeybee is having two antennae like this. Draw a circle for face of honeybee. Nose, a sweet mouth. Draw feathers. Main body of honeybee is also like in shape of egg. Honeybee is having small legs. Now we will fill color in honeybee with the help of wax crayons. Okay, let's fill it. Honeybee is in two colors, in black and yellow. First of all, we will fill with black color. It's a black color and we will fill with it. Be careful, kids. Be careful. While coloring, your color should be in the line. Now this is yellow color and fill carefully in honeybee. This is orange color. Fill in antennas. It's so beautiful. And kids, our drawing is completed. It's look very cute. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for watch new videos. Thank you. Kids, honeybee is flying.